So I'm very excited to be here at Rennsport in California, joining the biggest family gathering of Porsche enthusiasts in the world. I mean, everybody here has a Porsche history, everybody loves the cars, it's thousands of people, hundreds of cars. It's just an incredible feeling. There's so much energy in the air, so much gasoline. So that all boils down to some very rare, pure form of happiness. So I'm absolutely thrilled to be here. Absolutely, everybody seems to love the Speedster. I mean, it's the first time we're in America here, on American soil with that car. And I mean, California is a Speedster country. That's where the Speedster's coming from, speed and roadster. So this is definitely the place this car belongs. And I think that explains the reaction, the positive reaction of all the enthusiasts about this car. It's extremely strong over here. Well, we can't talk about the development yet because this is only a concept study. We're in the final stage of deciding whether to build something like this as a small volume series car. And I think the challenge would be, because we're motorsport engineers, so we never did an open car in the last 20 years, so we didn't know what happened with all the wind and the turbulences in the car, the sound, everything, that it has this quality, this Porsche quality to it. We had the drivetrain, so we're using the engine of the GT3 RS or the 911R. It's a similar engine anyway, and the gearbox. So the hardware was pretty much tested. But the body in white and the open situation of the car was something new to us. And for me, it was extremely important to make the car beautiful, to have this fly line that is really reminding of the old style Speedsters, and very low sitting on the street and with a very low fly line, distinguishable from a convertible at first glance. Because a convertible is a car you can drive open, a Speedster is a car you can drive closed as well, but only if it rains. So it's different.